Here is the workshop spot. I've got to teach a workshop inside of this church. It's turned into an exhibition space. Challenge accepted. I mean, the workshop title is Life Through the Shadows. So there is a good amount of light in here. So we have shadows off the spotlights, but it's definitely a challenge because I'm not used to sketching indoors. So why do you sketch? That's how we start off with these workshops. We go around and I'm asking, why do you sketch? There's so many different reasons why: to connect with yourself, to create, to reconnect, to let go, to slow down, to relax. Yo dibujo por crear y conectar. Reconectar con Dios. And then I gotta ask you, why don't you sketch? What holds you back? ¿Por qué no dibujas? ¿Qué? A ver.
Por falta de tiempo.
Falta de tiempo.
Falta de tiempo.
That's where it really gets interesting. So we write this on our page, just a recycled piece of paper, just normal scrapbook paper. Right on the bottom, why do you sketch? And right in the middle of the page, what holds you back? I have no time, distraction, perfectionism, comparing myself with others. These are all valid reasons of what would hold us back from sketching. For me, it's I could get distracted by doing other things. Obviously, creating videos and editing can take up time, but we always have time to sketch. We always have time for a 7-minute sketch. So that's how we start the workshops, in color pencils so you can't erase them. Then we move on. This one we moved on into an ink wash sketch, where we learned about sketching volume and learning about the light, learning about mixing the different inks, the 100% dark into the more diluted. Then we moved on into the ink and watercolor sketch, really starting off with going direct pigment on the page and mixing the different pigments on the page and seeing how that can form your discovery on the page. So that was it. Teaching in Santiago de Compostela, an amazing experience from not even knowing what we were going to sketch when we got here, and to not even worrying about it, just trusting that this would work out. And to our benefit, none of us in all the workshops, not even me, had sketched something like this before. It became a really good practice for practicing the impressionism, practicing loosening up our hand, and mixing colors, mixing like the gradients of light, the gradients of volume. Fun experience. Got to see the evolution of people eventually trusting themselves through the process and really just painting with abandonment and feeling by the end of it that they can just have fun with the process, because that's really what it's all about. Just choosing the process that is most fun to you. The act of drawing is a vehicle for throughout life. Sketching is a form of creating. And I believe as long as you're creating throughout life, that vehicle will open up other opportunities around the world for you, just as long as you're creating. This is gonna be here in 2 hours. We just did an audio test here. ¿Cuántos se sientan aquí?
280.
280. Can seat up to 280 people. Pero tenía misión a ser maestro de sketching hace 10 años. El dibujo urbano es un vehículo para viajar. Sin dinero, sin tiempo. Tenía que regresar a Estados Unidos. Pedí a mi familia, ¿me das más dinero para quedar en España? Y dijeron, pues no, claro que no. Con eso, la necesidad agudiza el ingenio. Pero tenía que
convertir en ese héroe en Los Ángeles antes de salir, antes de hacer un tour mundial. Entonces empecé a hacer los postales en las calles de Santa Mónica, como los hice en Barcelona. No me funcionaba para nada. Intentaba, pero no funcionaba. Porque ahí en Los Ángeles, no sé, no puedes caminar por las calles y descubrir rincones. Entonces, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa cuando dibujas cuando no quieres? Dejas el perfeccionismo y lo que sale es algo diferente.
That's it. So next week, I'm heading to Brazil. I'm going there for 2 months with my girlfriend. Going to go to a wedding, visit her family, go to Rio for her show, and I'll be documenting the whole journey along the way. So if you want to be a part of that, you can subscribe to this channel to join me on that journey. And of course, as I see the lines, we see the lines. Happy sketching life, and we'll see you on the next one.